Hello, thank you for joining me. I'm your host, Sashi Naidu, and today we're taking a deeper look at the Allos Group. Allos has been a pioneer in e-learning since 1982, providing organizations with solutions across all industries, expanding their footprint from Europe into Africa and North America. For example, they produced the first movie-based video game, Blindness. The movie won the Emma International Award in 1996 as world's best interactive movie. The year before, in 1995, Allos' 3D game Evocation won another International Emma Award as Best Adventure Game. Allos not only creates characters, but they've got a few characters of their own.
At Allos, we specialize in custom content. I would like to take this opportunity to introduce you to some of our talents. With many years of experience, our artists developed an incredible capacity for interpreting the exact needs of a project and translating those into original artwork and design that meets the client needs and the learning style of the target audience. Our skill set includes musicians and sound engineers for soundtracks and audio effects, voiceover artists, 3D artists, cameramen and video editors, robocopter pilots, developers and flash designers, IT architects, business analysts, and copywriters.
Well, let's see what some of those artists can do.
This is an example of a 3D isometric immersive game where users with virtually no instruction explore and interact with the environment in an attempt to reduce electricity consumption while maintaining the productivity level. This is an excellent example of immediate engagement, exploratory environment, and learning by doing. Simple, humorous cartoons can often transform boring subjects into a light and fun snippet of informational training that can be distributed to a large audience of users. In this case, we're talking about 120,000 users across Europe, where the clips were translated into several languages. We've approached sales training from several different angles and with a number of diverse styles to accommodate both the culture of the client and the user preference. Unconventional techniques have been used successfully to translate complex processes into simplified training material, which allowed for an effective blended approach, turning simple play items like Lego and figurines into powerful classroom-based business games. We've also built intelligent, dynamic XML simulation engines that allow for branching. Another example of scenario-based learning are our practical, video-based decision courses. Companies mistakenly try to take existing content and shrink it down to display on handheld devices. This is not mobile learning. We entirely redesign from scratch content for mobile devices to make it user-friendly and effective for this specific platform. In this example, we've applied a gaming element to not only gain and keep the learner's attention throughout the course, but to also provide visibility on the learner's problem-solving approach. With this courseware, Diesel trained managers on how to observe their environment and how to manage their priorities. This is achieved through an interactive interface that resembles the actual store space and that the learner can explore.
A successful training initiative starts with its plan, and it's exactly at this critical juncture that Allos shows its value.
Creating effective content and powerful change management is not where our job ends. A component that is often overlooked is the importance of creating visibility on your learning with your target audience. These days, learners are bombarded with funky, engaging material on billboards, television, pretty much everywhere. We cannot do less. We will simply lose the end user's attention. Our clients report that proper communications deployed before and during the training initiative doubled the effectiveness and retention of the learning intervention itself.
As you have seen, Allos has developed a wide and varied range of learning solutions over the past 3 decades, and Allos has gone far beyond 3D. Because to be honest, at times, 3D can actually be quite frustrating.
Allos. Truly different. Results driven by passion.